Hey guys, Vanessa here. Welcome back to my kitchen. For today's video, I'm gonna be making boba tea. Boba tea is one of my favorite drinks, but they're so expensive to buy in the shops. So I wanted to try it at home and I've been loving it and I wanted to show you guys how to make it. If you do like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I would really appreciate it. So now let's get on with the video. All right, so the first thing that you will need for boba tea is the powder. And I have here the matcha green tea powder. I found this at my local Tokyo market. You can find it on Amazon. I will link it down below. I got mine for $18 and it comes with a fair amount. It comes with 2.2 pounds. I've made multiple cups of boba already with this and it still has plenty. I love the flavor, it's so delicious. So the next thing that you will need is some creamer. I have here the International Delight Sweet Cream, and this pairs nicely with the matcha powder. So this is the one I use. And now the Tapioca Pearls themselves, I have here black Tapioca Pearls. I found this at my local H-E-B for about $7. Not that bad, it comes with a lot of boba. Some sweetener, I just use 2 packets of Splenda and a blender and 16 ounces of ice. All right, the first thing that you have to do is cook the boba. Here it requires 10 cups of water for every 1 cup of boba. So I'm gonna go ahead and cook this up and I'll be right back. All right, you guys, I'm back with the cooked boba here. It took me 40 minutes to cook it, which is so weird because the bag literally says ready in 5 minutes. So, conspiracy. But yeah, I cooked it for 40 minutes. I like it really soft and chewy. And then right when it's cooked, I just sweetened it with 1 package of Splenda. So here it is right here. So now for the smoothie part, here I have a blender with 4 cups of ice. And then to here, we are gonna add the matcha powder. And I'm using my Ninja scoop, which is equivalent to about 3 tablespoons here. So I'm gonna do 3 of these. So here we have 1. And if you like it stronger, just add 1 more scoop of the powder. It's up to you. So now we are gonna add 2 scoops of creamer. And like I said, I love this one because it's sweet cream and it just adds a whole lot of flavor to the drink. So I love this one. And now we're gonna add 4 ounces of water here. So and then for the last ingredient, we're gonna add the 2 packages of Splenda. All right, so now let's blend. All right, all done. Just a little tip, make sure to blend your drink on puree or frozen drink, and the consistency is amazing. It's kind of like a Frappuccino from Starbucks, nice and smooth. That's how you want it. So let's build our boba tea. So you wanna get your cup here and just fill the bottom with as much boba as you want. Just like that. And make sure you have boba straws. Without boba straws, forget about the drink. You can't do it. I once made boba without these straws and it was so difficult. Like it ruined the experience and it didn't turn out great. So always make sure you have boba straws. They're just the fat smoothie straws. You can find these anywhere. So yeah, boba straws. All right, and there's our drink. Just pop in our straw. Make sure to give it a good stir and let's test it. So good. I love making boba at home. It's so inexpensive. You save tons of money and you don't have to drive anywhere to grab your favorite drink. I can't wait to try the taro powder of this. I'm gonna pick it up next time I go to my local Tokyo market because taro is my favorite boba flavor. All right, you guys, that's it for my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, just let me know. Once again, if you do like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And I'll see you in my next video, you guys. Bye.